Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to participate on GUN Launchpool on Binance. First, open your Binance apps and you can go to Launchpool or you can search it and you can type Launchpool, this one. And then as you can see there is GUN Launchpool. You can click participate here. Then there is three options. You can use your BNB, USDC or FDUSD to stake it and you will get the GUN token. I will choose USDC for example, and I will use my 10 USDC and I will click confirm here, and then successfully participate just like that guys. And you can also lock more. Okay, you can choose another token also. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.